Welcome to UpTrade. Today we're going to show you how to add funds to your UpTrade account, and honestly, it's super simple. If you're depositing crypto, just log in, click Funds, then Deposit Crypto. Pick the account you want to fund, choose your asset and blockchain from the dropdowns. If a wallet isn't ready yet, just click Create Wallet. You'll then see your deposit address and a QR code. Tap Copy Address to copy it, or scan the QR directly. From your external wallet or exchange, simply paste the deposit address and send your crypto. Submit the transaction hash if needed, and your funds will appear as soon as it's confirmed on the blockchain. That's it. Smooth, fast, and secure. For fiat, it's just as easy. Click Funds, then Deposit Fiat. Choose your currency and make a bank transfer. You can upload your transfer receipt or send it straight to your dedicated broker. Once it's confirmed, your funds are ready to use. At UpTrade, we've made funding your account smooth and hassle-free. Once your crypto or fiat lands in your account, you're ready to start trading, and if you ever need a hand, your dedicated broker is just a call away. UpTrade, your expert crypto broker.